AZ104. Let's do some labs. So we're going to build a basic virtual network, hub and spoke architecture. For that we need two virtual networks, AppVNet and HubVNet. AppVNet will have front-end server and a back-end server. HubVNet only requires a subnet for a firewall. Additionally, we will need to add virtual network peering so they can communicate with each other. So let's go to your free Azure account. They offer $200 credit. I've been using it for some labs, but I believe they haven't charged me. Yeah, I'm still at $200 balance. The trick is if you create virtual machines, just delete them. Don't forget them don't forget them to leave running. If for some reasons they do not give you $200 credit and deny your application, try the same thing with a different credit card. That worked for me. So let's get started. We'll have to go to Azure portal and go to virtual networks. Okay. Virtual networks. From here we'll have to create two different virtual networks. Let's create a new resource group. Virtual network name. Yikes. The region US East. Okay. Make sure when you create another virtual network for the hub, it has to be on US East as well. We can skip all of that. That's an important part. For IP, have to fix it this way. Also here we need two subnets, one for front-end server, another one from a back-end server. Just leave it as the default. Front end. Starting address. Okay, that looks good. We can skip all of that. Skip all of that. There's no network security group yet. Okay, looking good. Let's add another subnet for a backend. Okay, that looks good. Simple. Beautiful. At this point we can press review and create. And give it a minute or so. Okay, as soon as you have validation passed, you can press create. So it deploys. And meanwhile, we can start creating another VNet for our hub. Let's Still deploying. Okay. Let's wait until it deploys and the list populates. Then we'll go and create another virtual network. Let's give it a quick refresh. And here we go. The app VNet is done. Let's go. So we want to add it to the same resource group. Name hub VNet. Same region, very important. Next, not doing any of that. Okay. So from here we have to change the name of the subnet, and I believe modify the IP address a little. So Azure is helping you out here, giving you that cue. So let's change it to what they say, Azure Firewall. Beautiful, the error is gone. The range over here is good. And we are looking for that subnet mask as well, 64 addresses. That's pretty much all we needed here. Click Save. Looks beautiful, all we needed. So let's press Review and Create. Same thing. Oh, much faster this time. And Create, so the whole thing kicks in. Here you go. Hub VNet. And we should have another VNet also. So we'll press Go to Resource just to check it out. Virtual networks, and here we go. 2 virtual networks that we need. Okay, so we're verified, everything looks good. Let's peer them. Click on App VNet. So the VNet menu opens. And we need to find peerings. So peerings is under Settings. Here we go. Let's press Add. Let's name it Hub to App VNet. Doesn't matter. So we cannot peer it with itself. So we have, because it's going to give you that error. So we have to press Hub VNet. That's what we're peering it with. Yeah, so here we can leave everything on defaults. You can modify it anytime if you come back to that menu after you already set everything up. All we need to add is peering link name. Let's just use that. You can keep settings for the local virtual network on a default too. That is the most important one that allows us to communicate. And we're ready to press Add. Okay, it took about 30 seconds. Fully synchronized, looks beautiful. Peering connected, peering state. Can't ask for more. So then we have to go to, yeah, we can go to that again. And for example, if you want to modify it a little, you can always save according to your needs. Yeah, since we are fully synchronized and connected, let's break everything that we built. Let's delete it all. So Microsoft does not charge us. All we have to do is to delete peering, that specific peering, and after that we'll go to VNets, because we have 2 VNets that we want to get rid of. to goodbye. So actually you cannot delete them from this menu, so you have to open each of them individually and delete them from there. At VNet goodbye with two subnets that we had, one for backend server, one for front-end server. Hub VNet, thank you for hosting our hub. Delete. Okay, virtual networks, back here to verify it's empty. Oh, looks like HubVNet just got deleted, so let's refresh it again, and it's gone. Simple as that. Easy lab, good to practice. You can build and break it a few times to get more familiar with the interface. Yeah, thanks for stopping by.